kind of an easy one, but thought I'd show you anyway. If you got a patio deal that's kind of hard to lock, kind of hard to unlock also. This one maybe it's time for new wheels. Bearings sounding kind of bad, but right here it's kind of an easy fix. Is just to loosen both these up and scoot this over as much as it'll go, like so. And you may need to kind of hold it over a tiny bit while you tighten down the screws. Anyway, now it closes. Nice and easy. That's a simple adjustment for a patio door. Now you want to make sure that your pivot's okay, that everything's sealing the whole way. And also what you want to make sure is right here that the door isn't coming out of the track. As long as that's okay.